Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit Google Sheets on iPhone quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for Google Sheets. Download the app, then open it. It's much smoother compared to using it in a browser, especially on an iPhone. Once you open the app, you can log in with any account you have. Select the spreadsheet you want to edit. You'll immediately see all your rows and columns, and you can zoom in or out using pinch gestures. Now, to edit a cell, simply tap on it and then double tap to enter edit mode. Once you're in, you can start typing anything, text, numbers, or data, just like you would on a computer. If you want to switch between text and numbers, use the keyboard options like 1, 2, 3 or ABC. You can also tap on the FX option to insert formulas, which is really useful for calculations in Google Sheets on iPhone. Next, if you want to select multiple cells, tap and drag from the corner of a selected cell. This allows you to work with larger sections, like formatting or editing multiple entries at once. You can also format cells by changing text style, background color, or even merging cells using the toolbar options available. So, yeah, overall, editing Google Sheets on iPhone is very similar to the desktop version and works pretty smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.